Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys follow the telegram channel so you will not miss out on the next update I'll be giving to you guys. So guys, once again, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, click on that bell notification. Now let's see what we'll be expecting next on our GBP USD. So in order for us to be able to predict what GBP USD will be giving us, we need to go to the daily time frame and see what GBP USD is doing in order for us to understand the movement. Now let's start with our trend on GBP USD. We can clearly see that our GBP USD trend is in an uptrend move. So we are definitely on a bullish move. Remember previously GBP USD was trending down. Previously it was a bearish move. But right now, which is our current trend, we are in an uptrend move. Now this is it here. I, right? Then here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again and gave higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? This is also higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up to give us higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up again to give us higher high, and market then dropped to give us an equal higher low. So we what market has done here, market has eventually given us an equal higher low. You can see that market has given us an equal higher low, right? Instead of an equal higher low, instead of an higher low itself, it came back to the previous higher low level to retest it. Now, with this previous level that the market has come to test, we would now sit as our support level and we should be expecting market to bounce up again. So our next forecast on GBP USD would be a bullish move. So this is what we should be expecting next on GBP USD, another bullish move. I mean, the bullish move is already playing out on the forward time frame, if you see, right? This is a very massive movement here. So we should expect GBP USD to come back to retest it. That is what you should be expecting for, especially for a day trader. Swing traders, especially those that tend to their trade for weeks and for months, you can still hop in for the buy right now because you still be expecting more bullish move to the upside on GBP USD. Now for day traders, right, you may want, if that is what you want, you may want it to pull back to test the support level. So once it pulls back to test the support level, then you can now start looking for your buy setup that will push it up. So above all, with what we are doing, what we are looking at for on GBP USD would be a bullish move. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So guys, click on that subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the telegram so you don't miss out on any updates.